Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make KFC's Double Down sauce. Hit it! Alright, well thanks a lot for being here. I appreciate you watching. Like I said, we're going to be showing you how to make KFC's Double Down sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, half a teaspoon of cayenne, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of horseradish sauce. Let's mix it up. All right, get yourself a medium bowl. Add your ketchup, the mayonnaise, your horseradish sauce, hot sauce, Dijon mustard. Mix that up. Add your garlic, salt, paprika. There's your sauce. Let's do a photo shoot. Alright, here we go. This is the taste test. This sauce is for the Double Down KFC Double Down sandwich. That's 2 breaded and grilled or deep fried pieces of chicken with bacon, cheese, and the sauce. You can find videos of that all over the World Wide Web. But here is the taste test for the sauce right here. So we're going in. Creaminess of the mayonnaise. You got that little bit of ketchup flavor in there. A little bite from the horseradish. Vinegar from that Dijon, giving it a little kick. Sauce is really good. Good as a dip. Put it on a sandwich. Do whatever you want. KFC's Double Down sauce. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again next time. Bye bye.